Hi, this is demo of the app requested as a part of the interview process. The app was made using Node.js, React, and Node.js module for Salesforce integration. I have also used Lightning Design Systems UI framework provided by Salesforce community. The framework can be seen here. The app is started from the console and starts at port 3000. Once the app boots, we can now go to login. We can now go to localhost 3000. We will be now when we click on the login, we will be redirected to the Salesforce login panel. We will be asked to enter our Salesforce credentials. And now if you perform the login, we will be treated as if we are coming from another computer, and we will be asked to provide verification code, which you should send either to our email or to our mobile number. And now if we paste the code, we are authorized and we are redirected to the main screen. The main screen contains input box for writing SOQL queries, and the results of these queries are displayed as JSON in the div below. So if we now execute the query, the resulting JSON will be displayed in this div. Also, the results are persisted as JSON files on the server in the form of JSON data plus timestamp. And each query is also logged. Also, we also keep track of all the timestamps, all the queries made, and the resulting files created in the query log.csv. We keep the timestamp, the query string, and the resulting JSON file. For this purpose, special connected app was created inside of the Salesforce organization. So if we now type app and go to apps, this is a dedicated connected app where we have provided OAuth settings, and if we click on the edit, we can edit the behavior of our OAuth. We provide the callback URL here, we give the permissions here, the consumer key and the consumer secret are given here, and they are provided to the Salesforce Node.js module in order for all of this to happen. This completes the demonstration. Thank you for watching. This is instructions for deploying the application. Once you pull the application using Git, you should have Node.js installed. I recommend using Node Version Manager. So if we now type nvm, you will see a list of commands for your Node Version Manager. nvm list will list all the installed versions of Node.js, and the star indicates which is the current version. nvm list available will list all the available versions that you can pull and install. we are using the latest version of the Node.js, and if we type Node version, you will see that this is the latest version. Once the code is pulled using git, you will perform npm install, and after all the packages are pulled into node modules directory, you will call on webpack. The task of the webpack is to build the React app and to place the bundle in the public folder. Once this is completed, you can start the app using Node server.js. This is the code overview. The package JSON contains all the packages used for this Node.js application. The README contains the deployment guide. The webpack contains the instructions on how to build the React app. The server contains the server-side code. The app contains the app. The React app part of the front end. The public folder contains all the publicly visible files. Within the public, you have the assets, which basically contains the Lightning Design Systems UI framework. The saved is a folder where all the JSON data is persisted, and the scripts is basically the bundle, which is created once you invoke webpack to build the React app. The index file basically only contains one main div and also loads the bundled React app, which gets injected within this div. The server-side part of the code contains the config. The config, you specify the login, the callback URL that you specified in the connected app that you created in your Salesforce organization, and also consumer key and consumer secret, and this is used for OAuth authentication and passing of the requests. You also specify on which part the server will run, and is HTTPS going to be used. The session secret key. The server-side code basically invokes all the necessary modules, and the code is pretty self-explanatory from this part onwards. This completes the code overview.